let's take a look at this airplane plate set. It's a plate that's shaped like an airplane. It's a fun idea and interestingly done. Available in attractive colors. Inside containers can be taken out for many uses. This plastic is recyclable. This is made in India. Costs around 135 rupees or $2 or so. That's the company that makes these, Krupa. That's how it looks. Cute looking set. You get a spoon and a fork. I think they could have put in a bit more effort and made these in plain shape too. And you can take these out. You can put some ketchup there and a few snacks in the plates. Looks quite fun. That's how the bottom looks. Quite a fun idea for kids. You already feed them making plane sounds. Now you can do it from a plate that looks like a plane. Quite nice. Check it out.